What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So there's a lot of speculation right now going around XRP and Ripple and the SEC and everything that's happening here because we are one day from seeing whether we are going to have that briefing schedule, whether we are going to have maybe a settlement or, whether we'll have, charges that are dropped or whatever, right? Whatever we end up on. I know everything or all roads are leading to a settlement, but let's talk about this because we have one day and people are excited, but also not excited. They want to know what's going to happen, whether it's going to blow up or whether it's going to blow up in two different definitions. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It helps out the channel. If you want to follow me on Rumble, that link is also in the description. You can find that down there, and you'll find that I produce a lot of the same content right now besides like weekend live streams and other live streams. And if I have a video that I just, maybe don't want to post over here and I want to post over there, I'll do different stuff on both platforms. But majority of them are pretty much the same so that everybody does get a glimpse of that content that I am creating. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I would greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into XRP right now. Let's look at the price movement and let's get into, I guess, an understanding of why you need to watch this before 4 a.m. So if you are watching this after 4 a.m., then I'm pretty sure you'll see some reactions. But the reason why I say this needs to be watched before 4 a.m. is because that's when the busiest time usually is in the markets, in the crypto market at least. We see a lot of volume that goes through. We see a lot of movement. I'm usually asleep. I wake up at 4:30, so I never really see anything that's happening. From like 3 to 5 a.m. is usually like really, really busy, and we see a lot of volume that flows through it. And that's why I'm saying, definitely watch this video before we see 4 a.m. because that's right in the thick of it. Now, I don't know what will happen, whether we will see things blow up or whether we'll see them absolutely explode to a whole nother level. We don't know. So guys, let's go ahead and get into XRP. It's currently sitting at about 69 cents. It's like resisting from that level of 70 cents. It's going above and beyond. You could see that it did go a little bit above it at one point, somewhere around 6 a.m., 5 a.m. or so, right? You see this movement. Look at this, 4 a.m., 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Look at this movement. Like, that's what I'm telling you. Watch it before 3 a.m., watch it before 4 a.m., where you'll be in the thick of it there. So anyways, it got all the way up to about 70 cents before decreasing down here to about 68 cents. And now looking like it's starting to pick up some steam up to a level of 69 cents at the moment. We're seeing the movement today about 0.7% up, almost 1% up. Volume is sitting at about $2 billion at 1.8 billion. The last video I looked at, obviously the cutoff was a little bit sooner. So you're looking at a $2 billion volume day versus a 1.8 volume day. And it's not really much of a difference. I mean, $200 million is kind of a lot, but for the sake of this, it's not really much of a difference in what we are seeing. We're starting to see a pickup in volume now, though. But like I said, it's down about 33% in volume, and you're seeing this at a 5.4% volume to market cap ratio. Again, we focus on the circulating supply, and we want to make sure that that circulating supply for people that care about the price and want to see it get to a point of, $20, $30, $100, things of that nature. So, why do you need to watch this? Why is this date so significant? Why is November 9th so significant, right? I did make a video on this recently about what is September or what is November 9th. But the SEC and Ripple have until November 9th to jointly propose a briefing schedule with remedies to the charges against Ripple for XRP sales to institutional investors. So they have until September 9th to come up with that briefing schedule. And if we scroll down here and get a sense for where they stand, right? So according to October 24th court order, the court will arrange a contested briefing schedule if the parties fail to agree to a briefing schedule. Remedies to the remaining charges are the focal point. Failure to jointly agree to a briefing schedule delivers an element of uncertainty relating to a settlement. The need for a contested briefing schedule suggests that the two sides are still far from settling. The level of uncertainty could test buyers' appetite for XRP in the run-up to November 9th deadline, which is tomorrow. While investors wait for updates, SEC Chair Gary Gensler remains a hot topic of discussion. Of course, right? We just want to see this completely settle. For me and for everybody else, we want to see this completely settle, because if you get to that point, then you have a win on your hands. For a lot of people, that is clearly a win. If you see the SEC settle, you can see the push of not only XRP, but cryptocurrency in general, because we care about whether things are being labeled a security. We care about the freedom of cryptocurrency, and this is obviously limiting that freedom. From the different things that the SEC is doing, whether it's suing Coinbase or suing Binance or suing Ripple or suing Kraken or suing Terra Luna Classic and Terraform Labs, all of these things and more are really taking from the success of what the crypto market can be. And we all understand that when we see these lawsuits that are going through, when we see that they're saying certain things about a certain position that may look like another position, right? If we understand that one cryptocurrency is labeled as not a security, you get all this different type of case law that you can apply to other situations. Now, these other cases like Coinbase and Binance and Terraform Labs can implement what that case law was into their own case in order to kind of get clarity or some sort of regulatory clarity that Brian Armstrong has been looking for, or CZ has been looking for, or whoever has been looking for, Do Kwon's been looking for, right? We need regulatory clarity to understand what is a security, what isn't a security, what you will classify as that, so we don't have any spur of the moment, we feel like suing you type of moments, right? So when I look at this, I understand that we need full clarity, and this is the first step to doing that. Yes, we have the ETFs that are coming, and we have like more consistency, more traditionalists that are getting into the market, but we don't really have the full clarity that we all need in understanding what is right and what is wrong. Because I'm sure every cryptocurrency wants to abide by, any rules that we do have. They want to make sure that we are seeing people invest the right way, that they're offering the right cryptocurrencies, and that we're just all following the laws, right? And understand that those laws have a definition, right? And we got to live by those definitions. But if we can't understand or define what it is, then how do we live by it? How do we walk around it? It's like we have to tiptoe around it because we don't want to disturb it. It's not about trying to understand what it is. It's about just leaving it alone. That's what they want us to do, so that when they decide, hey, we want to sue you, they end up suing you. So we need clarity. We'll get it with this. So watch this video. Hopefully you are watching this video by this point. I would imagine you are. It's the end of the video. Before 4 a.m., I'm pretty sure we may see things absolutely skyrocket or pull back. That's usually the aggressive time in the market. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. My Rumble account, if you want to follow me on Rumble, feel free to do that. If you're already watching on Rumble, I appreciate you guys. Guys, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.